Okay, and welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung X5 Thunderbolt 3 Portable SSD, the 500GB version. Now, I've heard some really good things about this portable SSD. I've heard it's really fast. I've heard it's supremely fast. I watched the video on iPhone Do created. I'll link it to his channel in the description, and you'll see a really great review. So what we'll do now, we'll get this unboxed and we'll show you exactly what's in the box. So through this, obviously, so through that, and there's one on the bottom, as usual. There we go. So really nice box, not that it matters, but because it'll soon be in the bin. Okay, let's get this box open. And there we have the Samsung X5. So let's just take this out. Oh, it's quite cold. It's really well built. It's such a stylish design. It's got a bit of weight to it too. I don't know exactly how much it weighs, but it's a seamless design. It's got a really nice red colour, and there's not really a lot to it, as you might have guessed. There's a Thunderbolt port, and that's about it. And I'm guessing underneath this we will have the instruction manual that no one ever reads, but should do. And we have a Thunderbolt cable in the box. And there's nothing else in the box, so let me go to one side. Now, just looking at the Thunderbolt cable, Thunderbolt 3 cable, it feels really sturdy. Now, these can be quite expensive if you've ever tried to purchase one online. I purchased this device from scan.co.uk, which is where I always purchase my computer equipment from. They do really good customer services. Prices could be a bit cheaper, but that's what it is. So that's the Thunderbolt 3 cable. Really well made. So we can put that to one side. And going back to the Samsung Portable SSD, there's not really a lot to it. So that's about it. It's got a nice metal case, which would be a fingerprint magnet if it was black, but because it's like a nice grey colour, it doesn't seem so bad. It doesn't move around too much on a flat surface, but does on the other side. It's a really nice design. It looks like it's like a concept car or something, but weighs quite a bit. Really nice design. And pretty much in the future, I want to try and upgrade the SSD inside this, because I've got a spare 2TB Pro drive. So I think it's a 960 Pro 2TB, so I could actually get inside this and maybe upgrade it, but I'm guessing it's going to be quite difficult because there's no screw holes, and there's no way to actually get this open. So I'm guessing if I actually did get it open, I could upgrade it, but you know, it looks like I can't do that. So that's been the Samsung Portable SSD X5 500GB version. Hope you enjoyed this video. Not really a lot to it, but that is the unboxing process. Thanks for watching.